Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn. I'm your host. Today we're going to be going over some couponing math for Target. This one is a little bit more complicated than some of the previous videos you may have seen, simply because it has an extra step because there's extra things to consider. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything, and let's go to the board. Okay, so today we are going to be buying 4 Purina dog food at $11.99 each. We have a deal going on where if we buy 2, we're gonna receive a $5 gift card. We have 4 $2 off 1 coupons, and we have 1 $10 gift card when you spend $40. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to find out how much 4 costs. So $11.99 times 4. That's going to be $47.96, which is far too much. So for this example, the first thing we're going to do is just take off the coupons. So we have $47.96 minus the $8 in coupons. So that's going to be $39.96, and that's going to be our amount to cashier. So this is how much we're going to be paying. Now, because of this scenario here, we're going to be receiving a lot of gift cards. So buy 2, receive a $5 gift card. We bought 4, so we're going to be receiving 2 of them. And we also have a $10 gift card when you spend $40. Now I know some people are like, well, we're 4 cents shy of that. No, we're not. We technically paid $47.96 for it because coupons count as a form of payment. I call it the 4 C's. We have cash, card, check, and coupon. So this counts as payment. So we do indeed qualify for that. So it's going to be another $10. So all in all, we're going to be getting $20 in gift cards for this. If we were to try to return any of these items, they're not going to expect us to give back any of these gift cards. So they're going to give you the amount back less the applicable portion of gift cards assigned to it. Now, the machine will do that all for you. It'll be on your receipt. It will say what the return value is if you ever have to go through that. Now, we would get $19.96 here for 4, but we're not quite done because we want to find out how much it is for each bag. And in this scenario, it's going to be $4.99 each. So obviously much better than the $11.99 that we started with, but now we're going to add in some additional discount tiers so you can see how much better the deal can get based on the offers provided to you. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a circle offer, 10%. If you're not familiar with circle offers, please check out my Target video that I have. I have navigation on it as well, so you can get yourself familiarized with it. But what it is it used to be Cartwheel, and it's just discounts on applicable items. And as I said, in this case, we're going to be using a 10% circle for this example. And so the first thing we're going to do is the same thing as the last one. We want to find out how much 4 are. So we have $11.99 times 4. That's going to be $47.96. Now, because this one has a circle offer and it has the gift cards, a couple different gift cards here, we need to temporarily remove them from the math here before we can find out what the discount here is. They didn't used to be like that. The discount used to be right off the top, but not anymore. So what we need to do here is we're going to take $47.96 and we need to take off the gift cards. So we already know we're going to be receiving $20 in gift cards because we found that out last time here. So $20 in gift cards, we go $27.96. And just like when you do anything, saving time is what it's all about. So I don't like to find out how much I'm saving, because if I find out how much I'm saving, I'll just have to do a couple extra steps. I like to find out how much I'm spending. If I find out 10% of this, I'm gonna have to subtract the 10% out of there, and then I'm going to find out how much I'm spending. If I just find out how much I'm spending, it saves me some time. We're saving 10% in this case, which means we'd be spending 90%. It's always going to be the opposite of the discount to equal 100. So 10%, 90%, going to bring it down to $25.16. And now we add these back in. So $25.16 plus 20 brings us to $45.16. Now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract our coupons here. So we have $45.16 minus $8. So that's going to bring us down to $37.16, and that's going to be our amount to cashier. And just like before, once we pay him, he's going to give us some gift cards back. So we have $37.16 minus the $20 in gift cards. That'd be $17.16. Divide that by 4. And we get $4.29 a bag. So we save a little bit more there. Now the next step I want to add in is going to be Ibotta. And if you're not familiar with Ibotta, that is a third-party cashback site where you'll take pictures of your receipts, and there's certain items on there, there's tons of different ones, well, they'll give you different values cashback for purchasing said item. So for this scenario, we're going to say that we're going to get $1 back per bag, up to the 4 bags here. So the only step that that's going to change here is it's just going to come right in here. We got our $20 back in the gift cards, but now we're going to get an additional $4 back on Ibotta. So that's going to be $13.16. Divide that by 4, and then we get $3.29 a bag. So as you can see, each step we take lowers the price, but now there's one more thing I want to show you, another step. Now this is going to be the red card, and what a red card is, if you're not familiar with it, there's a credit card, there's a debit card, they have a bunch of different perks, but for what we want to talk about is it's going to be the 5% cash off you get off of everything you buy at Target when you use that card. So the step it's going to change is going to be right here. After we take off our coupons, then we are going to obviously pay, and when we pay with our red card, we're going to be saving another 5%. So just like here, if we're saving 5%, we're going to be spending 95%. So I just want to find out what 95% is, save myself some time. And in this situation, it's going to be $35.30. And this is going to be the amount to cashier. And just like the previous steps here, we're going to factor in the things we're going to get back. So we have $35.30 minus the $20 in gift cards we'd get. That'd bring us down to $15.30. But we also have the Ibotta. So $15.30 minus $4 in Ibotta would be $11.30. But again, not quite done. We want to find out how much each bag is. And in this case here, it would be $2.83 per bag. So as you can see, each step here really changes the price. And I know the math is confusing, and that's why I like to really write this out with you guys. Just me telling you, it's not the same as me doing it with you. So if you have any questions, please make sure you put them in the comments below, and make sure you like this video as well and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything, because stuff is always changing, and you don't want to be going to the store with the old information and it's changed, because that's just embarrassing and we don't want to have to do that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you tell your friends so I can help them start saving for their dreams one coupon at a time, because that's what I'm here to do. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye.